Hello everyone, I am B. Swati and I am the group leader of group number 2 of Senior Design Project Presentation. My project title is Currency Denomination Recognition System. In countries like India, the transactions are rapidly increasing over the past years, and this causes an increase in different currency problems, one of them being the currency value or denomination recognition of different kinds of notes. Estimation of these notes in Indian economy is about 10 to 20% of the total notes in circulation. Every day we are dealing with currency, so denomination and authentication of each currency is imperative. Nowadays, complex designs are included to enhance security of currency. This clearly makes the task of currency recognition very much difficult. In our project, we have used image processing in order to correctly recognize a currency, and it is very much essential to choose good features and a suitable algorithm. Let us discuss design scheme. Currency recognition system consists of 6 main parts, namely image acquisition, image pre-processing, edge detection, segmentation, feature extraction and recognition using existing database. First is image acquisition. It is the action of retrieving an image from a source, usually a hardware-based source for processing. The image of the note should be precise and it should be taken in proper lighting condition and should be acquired via a camera or a scanner. Next is image pre-processing. Image pre-processing refers to the operations made on the images at the lowest level of abstraction for the improvement of the image data. It involves any correction of distortion, degradation and noise that may have occurred during the process of imaging. Image pre-processing involves certain steps like foreground extraction, where the image is split into foreground and background using edge-based technique, and another step like noise reduction of the captured image using median filtering in order to preserve the edges. Next we come to color to grayscale conversion. The banknote image, which is a RGB image, is converted into grayscale and then compressed. The image information is then fed into database. This method can recognize and match noisy currency images with the existing database to provide promising results. Next is edge detection. Edge detection is a mathematical technique for finding the boundaries of objects within images. It works by detecting discontinuities in brightness. The points at which image brightness changes sharply are typically organized into a set of curved line segments termed edges. Then we come into dominant color extraction and aspect ratio extraction. In dominant color extraction, in order to determine the dominant color of Indian currency note, HSV cylindrical model is used, which stands for hue, saturation and value, that helps in remapping the RGB primary colors into dimensions that are easier for humans to understand and interpret. The aspect ratio of the image is calculated as the height of the note divided by the length of the note. Image segmentation. Image segmentation is a process of segmenting or dividing an image into multiple segments. It also involves partitioning of an image into distinct non-overlapping regions by grouping the similar attributes together. There are two steps involved in the segmentation of currency note. One is the segmentation of ID mark, two is the segmentation of latent image. Then we come to feature extraction. Feature extraction involves reducing the number of resources required to describe a large set of data. This approach is useful when image sizes are large and a reduced feature representation is required to quickly complete tasks such as image matching and retrieval. ID mark is a feature used for currency recognition. In this, based on the shape of ID mark, currency can be recognized. Now see the results, analysis and evaluation. The images of the notes were acquired using the camera and then the features were extracted from it. The extracted features were fed to the database and denomination of the note was then recognized by comparing the values. We will now see some output of the grayscale conversion of the image and then edge detection of it. Now as we can see, the original image, the grayscale image and then the edge detected image. Then we move on to segmentation. Now we can see that we have segmented the image into first intensity class, second intensity class, and third intensity class. Now we'll move on to extracting the features of the image. Here in this whole experiment we have used a 100 rupees note. Now we'll get a feature matrix when we run this code. Now as we can see, we have a feature matrix of 11 different features in it. And they have specific values. I conclude my demo by saying that by using digital image processing, analysis of currency note becomes more accurate. This is also a cost-effective and time-efficient method. So, it can also be taken forward to develop a fake currency determination system since the database is fed with authenticated images of currency notes. Thank you.